Hi, welcome to Industrial Surplus. This is a video demonstration of our DoAll vertical bandsaw, model 2013V, built new in 1990. Has a 20-inch throat, 13-inch cut height. Blade size is 1/16 of an inch to 1 inch by 154 inches long. Blade speeds are variable. There's a high range and a low range, and the low range is 55 to 300 feet per minute, and the high range is 950 to 5200 feet per minute. Table size is 26 by 26, and it will tilt 45 degrees to the right, 10 degrees to the left. You can see that a little bit under here. Overall machine dimensions are 45 inches front to back, 45 inches, 54 inches by 84 inches tall, weighs about 1,250 pounds. It is equipped with a DoAll blade welder and grinder, all in good working condition, and built-in little chip blower. It's a 2 horsepower main spindle drive inside the cabinet there, and it will operate on either 230 or 460 volts. So we'll go ahead and start the machine, just let you listen to the blade. We'll go through some of the speeds. Can we, for demonstration purposes, can we open that door? Just show you how clean it is. We did clean and paint the machine, but it's in great shape on its own. We just made it look better. Okay, and if we could just kind of go through some of the speeds, that'll be good. And that is just by that dial there. That's slow speed. Usually for cutting metals, and the higher range, higher speeds can cut softer material, even up to do a beautiful job on wood. So if we could just bring it up a little bit more and show. Put it into high range. All right, that's the machine. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to answer them for you. And we look forward to working with you. Thank you.